right, good morning, London. How's it going? I'm Caelan from Pipekit, the workflows company, where we focus on maintaining Argo workflows, Argo Helm, and contribute to Argo events. So I'm excited to give the project update today. If you're new to Argo events, it's the event engine for Argo to run all sorts of pipelines triggered by Git events, S3, Kafka, Nats. So definitely check it out if you haven't already, since it's one of the smaller Argo projects, but it's small, mighty, and growing. And if you're curious about it, there'll be a talk today at 11 by my teammate Argo talking about incident remediation triggered by Argo events. So check that out. I'm sure he's really happy I mentioned that. Yeah, we're growing. So we've added a few more dozen contributors, a ton of activity that drove 4 patch releases since the last Argo events update. And so we've really been focusing on keeping the project updated on the security front, fixing bugs, as well as 12 new features. And on the feature front, we've been improving mostly our Git event sources. So GitLab got some love, Bitbucket got some love. So if you haven't seen or tried Argo events since upgrading these event sources for Git, definitely check that out if you're a GitLab or a Bitbucket user. We've also added a bunch of support for features related to Azure Event Hub, and then some improvements on the Nats and Kafka fronts that you probably take advantage of if you're using those tools. And then one big feature we also added was around the dead letter queue trigger in the event sensor. So overall, yeah, really excited to have a lot of new contributors contributing these features, and we look forward to more folks contributing. If you have a new event source you'd like to see added, please do open an issue on the repo, and we'll be focusing more in the future based on community demand for feature requests and bug fixes. So please go to the repo and add an upvote if you want to see a feature added. And with that, I'll hand it to my wise teammate Tim, who's a local here, to give the Argo Helm update.